Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for insightful reviews on the latest pet products. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for pet parents: Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil for Dogs and Cats by Zesty Paws. If you're on the lookout for the best dog breeds with no shedding, this product might just be your new best friend. Now, what sets this Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, including EPA and DHA, which are essential for promoting healthy skin and a luscious coat in our furry companions. Whether you have a playful pup or a frisky feline, this liquid food supplement is formulated to support joint function, boost immune health, and keep those hearts pumping strong. Plus, it's made from natural ingredients, ensuring only the best for your beloved pets. But don't just take my word for it. With over 57,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average, pet parents everywhere are raving about the benefits of Zesty Paws Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil. Just listen to what they have to say. From irresistible shine to softer, shinier coats, this salmon oil is making waves in the pet community. And with easy-to-use instructions, giving your furry friend their daily dose is a breeze. What's more, Zesty Paws is committed to quality and safety, earning the trust of pet owners worldwide. With its NASC certification and rigorous quality standards, you can rest assured knowing you're giving your pets the very best. So, if you're ready to elevate your pet's health and happiness, look no further than Zesty Paws Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil. Say goodbye to shedding and hello to a happier, healthier pet. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy pet parenting.